Welcome to Extend Office channel. This video talk about how to calculate median in Excel. The median is a form of measure of central tendency that represents the middle value in a sorted list of numbers. In Excel, finding the median is straightforward, thanks to the built-in median function. This function sorts a range of numbers and returns the one that falls in the middle. For an odd number of observations, the median is the number that splits the dataset into two halves. For an even number of observations, Excel averages the two middle numbers. Note, the median function in Excel excludes text, logical values, and blank cells but includes zeros in its calculation. Now here this video provides two basic examples for showing how to use median function in Excel. Example 1. Find the median from a range of cell values. For getting the median in range A2 to A7, please use the formula in a blank cell. And then press Enter key, the median will be displayed. If you want to find the median from several discontinuous range, let's say from A2 to A3, A5 to A7, please use the formula like this. Example 2. Find the median from a range of cell values excluding zeros. Typically, Excel's median function considers zeros in its calculations. However, if you need to find the median while omitting zero values, you can do so by integrating the if function with the median function. To calculate the median while excluding zeros in the range A2 to A7, enter the following formula in a blank cell. And press the Enter key to display the median.